Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. K English Channel. I'm Kay, and I'm here with Bunie.
Hi everyone, I'm Bunie. Today's topic is real conversation, English you can actually use in daily life.
The goal is simple: short sentences, natural rhythm, and real expressions. Kay, how are you today?
I'm doing okay. A little sleepy, but okay.
Same here. I had coffee, but I still feel slow.
What time did you wake up?
Around 6:30, but I stayed in bed too long.
That happens to me. I wake up, then I scroll on my phone.
Exactly. It's like I'm awake, but not really awake.
Right, and then suddenly it's late and you feel rushed.
Yes, that rushed feeling can ruin your whole morning.
So true. But it's okay, we're here and we're practicing.
If you like learning English through real conversations, please like and subscribe.
And comment, where are you watching from? We read the comments and it helps the channel a lot.
All right, let's jump into the conversation.
1. Meeting and starting the conversation.
Hey, Bunie.
Hey, Kay, you made it.
Yeah, sorry I'm a little late.
No worries, I just got here a few minutes ago.
Perfect. Was traffic bad for you?
Not too bad, but parking was annoying.
Parking is always annoying. Did you find a spot close?
Not really, I had to walk like 5 minutes.
That's not too bad. At least the weather is nice.
Yeah, it's actually pretty comfortable today.
I like days like this. Not too hot, not too cold.
Same, it makes everything easier.
Ordering drinks like real life. Do you want to order first?
Yeah, let's order, I'm tired.
Same. I need caffeine.
What are you getting?
Probably an iced Americano.
Nice, I think I'll get a latte.
Any flavor?
Maybe vanilla, but not too sweet.
Good choice. Do you want a small or medium?
Medium.
Okay, I'll order for us.
Thanks.
Hi. Can I get an iced Americano and a medium vanilla latte? Light on the sweet.
And can we get that to go? Actually, wait, we're sitting here.
Yeah, for here, please.
Sorry, I always say to go automatically.
No problem. It happens.
Do you tip here?
Usually a little, yeah, if I can.
Okay, I'll tip too.
Sitting down and catching up.
All right, we got our drinks. How's your week going?
Honestly, busy. I feel like I'm doing a lot, but I'm not finishing much.
I know that feeling. Like you're moving all day, but nothing is done.
Exactly. My to-do list is long and it never ends.
What's taking most of your time?
Work and small life stuff. Emails, calls, errands, everything adds up.
Yeah, it's the small stuff that drains you.
And the worst part is, I don't even have energy at night.
So what do you do at night?
I just eat something quick and watch videos.
That's normal. You need to recover.
But sometimes I feel guilty.
You shouldn't. Rest is not laziness.
True, but it's hard not to feel that way.
I get it. When I'm tired, I feel like I'm behind everyone else.
Yes, exactly.
Talking about money and daily costs. Real topic.
Also, everything is expensive lately.
Seriously, groceries are crazy.
I went to the store yesterday. I bought a few things and it was so much money.
Same. I used to spend less, and now I feel shocked every time.
Do you cook at home a lot?
I try to, but when I'm tired, I order food.
Yeah, ordering is easy, but it adds up.
It really does, especially delivery fees.
Exactly. It's not just the food, it's the fees, the tips, everything.
Sometimes I look at the total and I'm like, nope.
And then you close the app.
Yes, and then you eat cereal.
Cereal saves lives.
It really does.
Making plans for the weekend.
Okay, let's talk about something fun. Do you have any plans this weekend?
Maybe. I'm not sure yet.
Do you want to do something simple, like a walk or lunch?
That sounds nice. What day?
Saturday afternoon?
Saturday could work. What time?
Maybe around 2?
2 is good, but I might need to leave around 5.
That's fine. We can keep it chill.
Where do you want to go?
Maybe that park near downtown.
The one by the library?
Yeah, exactly.
Which library, though? There are 2.
Good question. The downtown library, near the fountain.
Oh, okay, I know it.
Great. If anything changes, we can text.
Perfect.
Number 6. Small misunderstanding. Common in real life.
Wait, 2 p.m. Saturday? Is that this Saturday or next Saturday?
This Saturday.
Okay, good. I just wanted to make sure.
Yeah, good to confirm. Misunderstandings happen all the time.
Especially when people say this weekend. Sometimes they mean the next weekend.
True. So it's always good to ask.
Exactly.
Talking about a real problem, phone battery and being late.
Actually, speaking of texting, my phone has been acting weird.
What's wrong with it?
The battery dies so fast. Like, it's at 60%, then suddenly it's at 10%.
That's the worst. Do you have an old phone?
Kind of. It's not super old, but it's not new either.
Have you checked the battery health?
Not yet. How do you check that?
In settings, it shows battery health. If it's low, you might need a new battery.
That makes sense. I might just replace the battery instead of buying a new phone.
That's smart. New phones are expensive.
Exactly. I'm trying not to spend too much right now.
Same.
And the battery issue makes me late sometimes. Because if my phone dies, I can't check the time.
You don't wear a watch?
No.
You should get a cheap watch.
Honestly, that's a good idea.
It's simple, but it helps.
8. Real workplace talk. Meetings and messages.
So, what's happening at work for you this week?
A lot of meetings. Too many.
Same. Meetings can be useful, but too many is exhausting.
Some meetings could be emails.
That is the most real sentence ever.
It's true. Sometimes people just like hearing themselves talk.
Yeah, and then you leave the meeting and you still have work to do.
Exactly. And your brain feels tired.
Do you ever take short breaks during the day?
I try to, but I forget.
Same. I get focused, then I look up, and 2 hours passed.
And you didn't drink water.
And you didn't stand up.
Yes!
Okay, new plan. We drink water after this.
Deal.
Natural fillers and reactions. How real English sounds.
Let's practice some real reactions.
Okay.
If I tell you, my week has been crazy.
I can say, I feel you, or same here, or that sounds stressful.
Perfect. Now if I say, I'm not sleeping well.
Oh no, why? Or that's rough. Or have you tried sleeping earlier?
Good. And if you don't know what to say, you can say, yeah, I don't know.
That's real too.
People don't speak perfectly in real life. They pause, they think, they restart,
Yes, they say like,
or you know?
or kind of.
Exactly.
Quick role play. Returning a wrong order.
Let's do a quick real situation. Your coffee order is wrong.
Okay.
You take a sip and you realize it's not what you ordered.
I hate that.
What do you say?
I'd say, hi, sorry, this isn't what I ordered.
Good. Polite and clear.
And then I ordered a vanilla latte, but this tastes like caramel.
Perfect. And if you want to be even shorter, I think this is the wrong drink.
Yes.
And if they ask, what did you order? You say, a medium vanilla latte.
Simple.
Real English is simple.
Personal topic. Fitness and habits.
Can we talk about something more personal, like habits?
Sure. What habit are you trying to build?
I am trying to walk more.
Nice. How many steps do you get per day?
Honestly, not enough. Maybe 4,000.
That's okay. Start small. What about you?
I'm trying to stretch every day.
That's good. Your body will thank you. I hope so. Sometimes my back hurts from sitting.
Same. Sitting is dangerous.
So true. We sit, then we wonder why we feel stiff.
Exactly.
Maybe Saturday we can walk and stretch after.
That sounds like a healthy plan.
Ending naturally and politely.
Okay, Bunie, I should get going soon.
Yeah, same. I have some errands.
Before we go, Saturday at 2 p.m., downtown library near the fountain.
Got it. I'll put it in my calendar.
Perfect. Text me if anything changes.
I will. It was nice catching up.
Same here. Take care.
You too. Talk later.
Quick recap of real phrases we used. Sorry I'm a little late. No worries. How's your week going? Honestly, kind of. I feel you. That sounds stressful. Do you have any plans this weekend? Saturday could work. Which one do you mean? If anything changes, I'll text you. This isn't what I ordered. I should get going.
These are simple sentences, but they're real and natural.
Comment question for you. What do you usually say when you are tired? Example, I'm exhausted, or I'm pretty tired.
Write your answer in the comments.
Thanks for watching Mr. K English Channel.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and practice out loud.
See you next time.
Bye!